was working for JEA, and I was having trouble communicating on two-way radio with my dispatcher, and I was sent to health and rehabilitation, and they referred me to the Speech and Hearing Center. It's been great. They're real courteous, real friendly, and now they even know me by name. I've been coming here for about 15 years now. When my grandkids were coming along, I could not hear them at all when they first started talking, and I decided then that I had to do something, and it's changed my life completely, just being able to understand them. Sometimes I'll be up in a bucket truck, maybe 50 feet away from someone trying to communicate with me, and there's motors running, and it's really helped me a lot. I love to hunt, and now I can hear owls hooting in the woods and deer walking. It's just really been great. Purchase the best quality hearing aid that you can get or you can afford, even if you have to take out a loan, because there is a lot of difference in quality. I'd broken a wire in the previous set of hearing aids I had, and the technician took me in within 5 minutes, I guess, and 20 minutes later she had them repaired, and I was on the road again. I definitely would. I would not go anywhere else myself.